Hi, I'm Rohan Bandare, Chartered Accountant and Honorary Secretary of Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry. A very, very happy birthday to our dynamic Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, sir. Wishing you great health, success, and happiness. From my interactions with CM sir, one thing that I really admire is his genuine love for Goa and that he deeply wants all Goans to prosper. And prosperity is not only through GDP and numbers, he really loves that each child gets the best of education, each youth becomes skilled and goes into the entrepreneurship path, and every family gets the best of infrastructure and the best of healthcare. And that's what makes him not only a superb administrator but a truly inspiring leader. Be it tax policy refinement, being ease of doing business measures, or being just that, seeing that the schemes which are available for the industry and citizens reaches the last industry and the last citizen. His approach has always been hands-on, and as the honorable chief minister as well as the voice of Goa at the GST Council, he has always put Goa and Goan industry first. What I also really admire is his accessibility to the people, as well as the warmth that he brings, which just puts people at ease when they are interacting with him. I think these kind of qualities are really, really priceless. Honorable CM sir has also brought in the Goa Happiness Index, and today being his birthday, I'm very sure that this happiness index is at an all-time high. Once again, wishing you a very, very happy birthday and wishing you great health and continued success. We are very proud of you leading us, sir. Thank you.